Whereabouts?
I'll
I'll
send
send it to you. Just
about
above
darkness.
But it's never. So it's just I just have to work out that it's just human.
Yeah.
It's monthly.
Well, yeah, that's part of psychology. You've got to use shadows.
He's not happy because Joe bought
There it is.
Eamon Scott wanted that.
Humans are inherent.
Stuffing up here. And Scott's got a hand, but Ian's doesn't, so he's not getting it. Joe's real.
I sent a team. I need. And then.
Oh! She goes. And then you'll be able to put it in your jean film. They're like.
I've got one that's actually a glove.
And like,
Stuck in the middle of
trying to
it.
get
Put the
better
glove on
and
it.
trying to make
Oh, really?
stuff better.
It's a brownish one. I used to play Nigel and touch and you sit in the end. You put the glove on.
Because I'm sick of it. Just always being special.
Someone's watching.
When it comes around and that's food, then I'll say, you want to start eating from there?
Yeah, we're going to get that.
Yeah, we're gonna face Oh, okay. So you're thinking on your own?
Creamers.
I
You're on a street, you don't have to shut up.
I'm not too This AM will be. That'll be plenty. Like, I'll maybe.
yeah, what was that? I'll look up things come up on that. Bring it
Two pieces hate it all.
That's what happens when you
I was not planning on drinking it.
got them to cancel it, so they cancel it. Good, you're trouble. Hey, Brett.
So did you contact the
I've also
company?
got a watch that has a stopwatch. You also have
Because you're competing. I've got a pretty sound mind that can keep taking numbers. Don't use your watch, Jay.
We're doing it in time to work out who finishes first.
No, you need it for the time penalties. You need it for the time penalties. When you do all right, no, that's fine. I'll go and get you.
Yeah.
Are we doing penalties for misplaced pieces and stick in a J?
Because Mum
Just
was
want to
me,
turn around and do a piece
and
of
so it just, I think it just, yeah.
You know what I mean?
It's
a Lego competition.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to welcome bicentennial.
60 over there.
You bought it the first
They
time.
should be told because they right down the bottom.
I bought it twice.
Oh, that's
The first time that happened was like me buying used the same Lego.
And I bought the second one and we bought all three of us.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that
Helmet.
No, that's not true. Corey's done it again. And Aaron was the officiant that year.
Yeah, I have done it.
Yeah.
Don't bully.
We have four. But the last one I do recall.
Okay, next year I'm buying 4.
Nah, I'm fine.
I'm gonna forget this.
Put a reminder on your phone.
I might have to if you win.
Circumcised dick.
I just kept finding those things and I thought maybe
It's
that's
better than munching on forks.
No, I think it's the school.
No.
Really good.
Nah, they're probably not.
It's just gonna get stuck on your
Yeah,
boot.
that's what I chose. It's the original.
It's the part you don't want to keep if you have to lose the part. That's the part
Only
that's
one skin, like, why is it?
It was hurting my belly.
In front of the pink. Yeah.
So it should be a before skin.
Do you want it all in glass?
You want some more still?
It should be.
There's another joke
They've
for
been
you.
at the bottom of
I'm
this.
gonna keep that.
Oh, and there's
Deep down in there. Nice and cold there. Yes.
Oh, fuck.
They're not answering. Are they still next door?
I want a video on this all the time so I can laugh at things that just happen. Again. We can do that.
Not too long.
Yeah, we can.
You wait too much that camera on.
My mum's 82, but she hasn't got any.
And that'd be shaky cam, Jay.
You go for it, it's just on his
Does she
wrist.
see the mirror?
It just sees the front of his room go up and down.
No, it's on the head. No, I was thinking more it's on your
And then it just goes backwards.
So it's just like, this is the camera it's on.
And she has got shells, but
Right, are we doing this one?
Oh, so watch, it's a camera that
Yeah,
watches
it's
your face.
watching his face from his dick.
I don't know!
Just
Yeah, I've heard that one before.
a one.
You have 30.
A 1, 2, 3, 4.
Go.
Oh no! Yeah, I was expecting more.
may you continue to look like you're not a
stickers.
year over 60.
There's always stickers, Mitch.
Yeah.
There was people
I've never
that
given
what
a
you
shit about
expect.
it in the past.
It's like, Toby said it on his
Jay Graham's got a good system going on here. He looks pretty smooth, under control. Jay Graham is out to an early lead. Come on, boys, get the Lego going. What we're doing?
Corey, are they filming it?
Yeah, they are. Jay Graham has dropped a piece. Yeah, he's dropped the lead. Jordan Graham's now in the
They
lead.
get the same thing, whatever it is. Like,
Jordan's a big fuckhead.
He's still in the
Jay,
lead.
Jay, do nice. We're playing nice.
first one.
Yes, Auntie Shell.
That's a nice, well, people that are legitimate fuckheads, it's nice to tell them that they are.
You don't think I hear that all the time?
How else are they going to know?
Well, if you hear it all the time, you should fucking know. I mean, I like it. Oh, I'm
Corey, who's in front of you, mate? Who's in front? I reckon Jordan Graham's in front there.
actually Mitch.
Followed
I think
closely.
Mitch is
Actually, Mitchell Graham has now taken the lead.
I look at me and make sure but they didn't ask me. Yeah, he's not even
fucking trees getting in the way.
It was just walking, he's signing, he has to.
So fucking offensive. It's one of the most offensive words in the English dictionary.
Imagine being a fucking
Never watched
Yeah, that's fair.
There you go, that's
Oh, when the lights went on, you sneak in and bang.
When the
And
lights
then you have to wear a mask and they take off. So as long as you do that, then you know, it's just. I found that.
Update, Corey, what's going on?
I'm finding it, you know, the more aware of it.
Looks like Mitchell Graham and Jordan Graham are about neck and neck. Jay Graham closely behind. He did have a drop earlier, Terry.
I saw you in a drop, yeah.
Yeah. Recovered well. He may have just taken the lead. Oh no, Mitchell Graham still in the lead. Jay Graham closely behind. Jordan Graham fumbling a little.
This is how I have to drink from now on with a crash out. And I had a neck brace on.
But some quite sharp Lego building going on regardless. Terry?
I can see that.
Yes, there's plenty of bubble wrap around you. Yeah. We have to think about
Mitchell
this.
Graham has taken quite a substantial lead at the moment.
How
You're
embarrassing.
going too early. There you go, mate.
He's a man of stamina, perseverance and sheer will, Terry, so I would say no. No, he hasn't.
What are you doing up there? No, he's gone. He's gone to get a drink. Here he comes, Wick. Here he comes.
Hey mate, you
Very
guys,
smooth, very sharp. He's done this before.
there you go.
Just think you might be able to practice
Sensation.
Well, I think he's got an unfair
Yeah,
advantage
yeah,
considering
you
he's
won it.
like the ball.
Oh yeah, he's got
Hey,
four.
right?
He's
Hey,
together. He's
bring
already
your
built one.
stubby holder
Yes.
with you with no hand.
That's what's happening.
He's got it at home in his bedroom
What's going
on
on
his
there?
pedestal of
Joe's
fucking shame
playing
because he's a cheat.
What are you gonna have to put yours in your pocket?
She's retired.
Yes.
Yeah. Or no one else will grab it then if it's down your pants. Elsie just roused on it. Yes, that's what she said.
Elsie Rouse.
I think she thinks I'm talking to Ernie, not Ian. Have you had a good day?
You don't have the bird on the tree.
That's really nice. She would have loved it. She would have loved it. Good dwellings.
Diesel's here, Diesel's there.
Right on the tip of my tongue.
Oh, what happened?
That's exactly
I know when there's one of those anymore.
Fuck, I wish I was.
There's a rooster's got it.
Goddamn. What would it be?
Jacked up for ball.
If I was my second bag, I would finish this already.
Well,
It's the latte sipping rooster.
said, you know,
First
Merry
time I
Christmas
ever
to
had it.
everybody,
First
and
time I
have a
had it
great
was
day.
like-
Here, I'll
Everyone
go to
send
the
you Roosters
speak and
for
say
you.
hello.
Fell. But other than that, it just gets me jacked up for ball.
Yeah, we don't need one, we pay. Down over there, you know, mate. Don't need one because they spill all the
Oh,
draw.
radio, yeah. So we do it all.
The roosters don't need it, don't they? Nah, man.
Right. Nothing was.
Gloria.
Oh, Melbourne, maybe.
Good there, since you got your mum out of,
Yeah, they are. Yes, yeah, that, if the Roosters were playing,
My ex works there, you know. She's a warden.
Yeah, no, I've done Slipping
We're all growing up in a place like that.
Alright, my lord.
You tell it is a
I always thought we just go
big
ahead and I'm like,
You got an
just
answer.
sharp
I
word.
run that best
just go cruise around the world.
I'm not so sure now.
Alright, no problem.
I don't care if I get it when London's tired.
Bye.
Don't have time.
Anyway,
Hang on.
Hang on.
hang on.
What did you say?
I said bugger off.
Yeah.